Hi, boys and girls. So, our next step is okay, I have an idea, I have something that I really want to write about. How do I make a really good, nice finished copy of something? Well, we have to go through what's called a writing process. So, if you look over at the anchor chart on the left, this is the typical standard way to do it. First thing you're going to do is do some pre-writing in this stage. And to the right, it says, well, what does the writer do there? Okay, the writer chooses a topic, plans it out, talks about it, maybe draws a picture, make a web. It's all brainstorming. Then after you brainstorm, you're going to choose one thing to write about. And you're going to go to the next page in your writer's notebook and you're going to start drafting. And this is writing your first copy in your journal. It's a fun way to say it's a sloppy copy because it's supposed to be sloppy. It's supposed to be messy. You're just supposed to write, and write and not worry about anything else. That's when all your good thoughts go on paper. Then, after you're done drafting, beginning, middle, and an end, you're going to revise. That's where you go back and that's where you fix your mistakes. We're going to talk about that later on how to do that, but I just wanted you to know that step. Then after revising, yes, you have to edit. You have to check your spelling, punctuation, grammar, capitalization. That all gets fixed up. Then when that's all done, then your very last thing to do, your last step in the writing process is publishing. This is where you get a brand new sheet of paper. You're going to create the final copy. You're going to do it nice and neat, just like your teacher wants it done. And sometimes you can go fancy and even type it up somewhere on a website, which we'll get to later too. But those are the steps of the writing process.